a salmon
roll
today for the first time.
Just chew it. How's it taste?
It's squishy.
Just think of it as mac and cheese. But how's it taste?
The texture is good.
The texture is good or the taste is good?
How's it taste though?
Fishy.
Oh,
Tastes
it does.
Mm.
So a scale of 1 to 10. 7. Would you order it? No. Well, good try. I'm glad you didn't throw up.